Ho, ho, ho!
Welcome to our channel, Calicuts Go Country.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you very much for a wonderful year.
Yes.
We just want to take a break today and really take this moment to thank everyone who has been with us in this journey for
right.
the past year. It has been a very exciting year.
It has been. It has been.
We just want to say thank you, and we hope that you stick around. There's a lot of things going on in our ranch and will be happening in the coming year.
Yeah.
That's right. We do have a lot of videos that are still being edited, so stay tuned for that one. Thank you for all the comments, the likes, those that who have shared our channel as
Yes.
well as our videos.
Yes.
We really appreciate it.
Really do. You all have been a big part of our journey, and we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts.
We can't do this without the support of our family, friends, and our YouTube community. So thank you again. I know we've said thank you many times. I think
but you can't say thank you enough.
sometimes that's one thing that people actually forget is just to say
Thank you.
thank you. Let us know what are the other things that you want to see at our ranch, things that you would want us to share with you as we continue our journey from city
To country.
It's going to be an exciting year ahead of us. With God's grace, we know
That's right.
that it's possible. So, from our family to yours,
From our ranch to your ranch.
Merry Christmas. Calicuts,
Go country.
Wait a minute. We forgot something.
I know, right? We forgot to ask them to
Like and
subscribe. Make it a Merry Christmas. Go like this video, subscribe to our channel, and better yet, share it to your friends and family. Merry Christmas!